Welcome to our session today. We're going to be reviewing how to set up event registration within our application. So, in order to get started with this, you need to add a new event. So, we're going to go to Options, Calendar, and then click on Add New. So let's say we just want to set up a dinner event. Maybe it's fall dinner or something like that, whatever it is. You're going to have a start date, and let's choose, let's just choose the 9th. And the type is an event, and the status is going to be scheduled. And the start time of that event, let's say it's going to be 6 o'clock p.m. and it's going to end at, let's say, 8 o'clock p.m. All right. So if you do want to charge for the event, you can enter a cost for registration. That's completely optional. If you do put something there, then the system will prompt the user to provide the credit card details and pay for that event prior to the registration. If you want to set a maximum number of registrants, you can do that there. This is the main option here, the registration keyword. So let's just say fall lunch. So that's the keyword. That's the keyword that we want our users to text to our dedicated number in order to register for that event. All right. If you have a registration deadline date, you can put it there. The system will tell them that they're past that registration. Increase date. Basically, to encourage people to register early, you can say, after this date, it's going to increase from, the basic registration cost. Maybe it's $10. It's going to go up to maybe, $13 or whatever. So that's how you can set that up. We're not going to use that. We're not going to use an amount here, but we're just going to have our fall lunch keyword for this particular event. I'm going to click submit. All right, so we've got our event in the system. And now what we want to do is we're going to go over to our chat client. I'm going to drag it onto the screen. Just 1 second here. All right, so let's click here and we're going to put in fall lunch and hit submit. Okay, so here's the prompt. Would you like to register for the fall dinner on that date? It's a free event. Text yes or no, and I will text yes. You've been registered for the fall dinner on that date. All right, so that's what it looks like on the client end. And let's go back and let's click on the event here, and I'm going to click on registrants. So here we've got the information here on who's registered for that event. And just like the appointment reminders, you can also set up a trigger that will remind the person of the upcoming event if you want to do that. All right. So that's how that functionality is set up.